Tuloy na ang sagupaan ng Team Asia at Team Rest of the World sa pagbabalik ng Race Cup na magsisimula ngayong araw October 16 sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium, Manila. Bago yan, humarap muna sa media ang mga manlalaro
To us, JJ, to our team.
para ipakita ang kanilang excitement na maglaro sa harap ng Pinoy fans. Bilang kapitan ng Team Asia, naniniwala ang Filipino billiard legend na si Francisco Django Bustamante na muling mamamayagpag ang kuponan at madedepensahan nito ang titulo ng pagiging kampiyon.
There's a pressure, but I can handle the pressure because I have a lot of winning in the major events. So, and also, I have a best team, and Aloysius Yap is in my team, and also I have AJ Manas.
I'm proud to be here of the part of the Team Asia. It's an incredible honor to be part of the Race Cup, of course, representing Team Asia. It has been one of my biggest dreams, so I'm excited for this, and we have the best coach here, Team Asia Coach Django.
Ma'am Emily, thank you for picking me as a team captain in Team Asia. I'm so happy, and I try all my best to do good with my team. And my team is all strong.
Bukod kay AJ Manas at Carlo Biado, kakatawan din sa Team Asia sina Aloysius Yap, Johan Chua at Dong Kok Wang. Makakatapat naman nila sa Team Rest of the World ang world number 1 is Fedor Gorst, Jason Shaw, Francisco Ruiz, Moritz Neuhausen at Skyler Woodward. Ayon sa kapitan na si Jeremy Jones, punteriya nilang agawin ng corona para tanghaling kampiyon sa patimpalak.
I was very shocked but very pleased. And, I got a few shots at the Moscone. It didn't work out for Team USA. They gave their heart out. But, I'm very, very honored and very blessed to lead this team.
My first time last year, obviously, Team Europe failed. I wish it was
nicer than I did, to be
I wish Team USA was the one playing. But yeah, I'm happy to be here.
Magsisimulang laro mamayang 7 p.m. sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Bernadette Tinoy para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.
But the other players do.